Tolly, welcome back. We met at GITEX 2020. We would like to hear about what's new about e-export. For the first time who heard about e-export, please introduce it to us.
Okay, yeah, it's good to be back again and to see you again 1 year after. My name is Tolly, Makaris, CEO and co-founder of e-export. E-export is a blockchain-based mobile app and now full marketplace that will allow fans, allow athletes all around the world to create digital collectibles and NFTs, but it's a much wider and bigger marketplace allowing transaction with a token into different products and services, which includes NFTs, obviously, like we discussed last year, but it's also giving the opportunity to fans to buy products and services from sport organizers, federation and athletes all around the world for a much discounted rate than in the normal marketplace.
Why did you participate in GITEX Future Stars 2020 and how it helps?
So first of all, it is the biggest event in the region, so there is no doubt to not participate. You have to participate in such events. It is the biggest platform in the region and a place to be. So, and then coming out after COVID, we were so happy to participate in a physical event because also I think GITEX back then was one of the first big events happening right after COVID. So yeah, we also got introduced by a strategic partner here in the Middle East that brought us in, and it really helped us because it helped us to educate some strategic people about, collectibles, NFTs now, and it helps us now because we have the trust from the community because they know that we're not just a startup that is jumping into the hype, but that we have been here already last year promoting and educating, media and potential investors about the future growth of NFTs. And also in addition to that, obviously, specifically with GITEX Future Stars, it's the right environment because it's all about startup companies, and it's good to be in these kind of events because it allows you to connect with other startups. It allows you to be in this, environment where everyone is looking into the future, everyone is creative, and that was also one of the reasons that we specifically of the whole GITEX, we wanted to be part of the Future Stars because this is where we find other like-minded people that share the same vision like us, and we can also see in early stages how we can collaborate with them.
Please tell us more about the e-export project, how it developed from the GITEX 2020.
Okay, yeah. Right after GITEX last year, we had the launch of the app as part of the International Jiu-Jitsu Federation World Championship in Abu Dhabi. So it was right after that. Great success. We immediately had more than 10,000 users onboarding, and we were growing in users, but then had to make a step back in restructuring the tech. So what we have done is restructuring the tech, make it mobile friendly, web friendly, also switching from Ethereum into Polygon and Matic so we can make it scalable and reduce the gas fee cost. So we had to make one step back to be able now to make 10 steps forward. In addition to the tech development, since last year, we also increased our team. So we brought in some very strategic key players. Dubai has become right now one of the crypto centers of the world. It attracted a lot of top people here, and we were able to get some of them on our board. So we have a very strong team right now, tokenomics with a background of blockchain that is helping us really to build a strong utility for the token. And then, in terms of IP, we were also able to expand a little bit and onboard a lot of high-end IP. Because last year we were focusing more on the niche sports, on the smaller ones, on the grassroots federations, and now we have secured some major IP rights of top celebrities that are going to be revealed as part of GITEX this year.
Why do you think GITEX Future Stars 2021 is so important for technology startups and investors to be part of?
Yeah, first of all, like I mentioned before, I think GITEX is the biggest technology conference, so it's important for everyone to be here, also for the media to be here, to make sure that they can cover all of these upcoming, startups and be with the trend in the market. For the investors, it's obvious there is a huge boom right now in the blockchain space, sport technology, and I know that GITEX is also launching their sport tech program because this whole industry has been accelerated. So investors have to be there because they need to be out looking right now for interesting startups to invest in. For sure, they also have their pressures from their funds and from their investors behind that they need to get into the space now because of the big boom. And on the other side, yeah, the startup companies, they have to be anyway in all kind of events trying to get as much as possible networking. And yeah, GITEX Future Stars is the biggest one to be in, especially in this region, which is very open to the world. Expo is happening this year here, so it's, you know, the perfect place for every company to be here and to present future technology.
We heard that you are participating in GITEX this year, GITEX 2021. What we can expect?
We're back in GITEX. We're very excited. Also this year we have a very strong collaboration with them directly. We're not going to only participate in the GITEX Future Stars, but we're going to have activations also at the Sport Tech conference, at the mentorship program that they have, and obviously in the blockchain summit as well. As I've mentioned before, we partnered up and secured some very lucrative IP, so we will be very active in different stages and in different environments of GITEX this year, and we are very glad to be partner with GITEX on that.
I can't wait. I'll see you at GITEX. Thank you for your time today. And
thank you. I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Safety distance.